How to fix your Sharp TV keeps turning off by itself. Now this can easily be fixed just by adjusting the timer settings on your TV. So all you need to do is grab your TV remote and then go and click on the settings icon. Once you're on this settings page, scroll up to the top right hand side and click on the settings icon to go and bring up the all settings. You then need to scroll down to system. You'll then need to scroll down to power and energy and click on this. Scroll across on the right hand side and then scroll down to power and energy. Come over to the right hand side where it says when inactive, and you'll see it will say automatically turn off TV when inactive. Now this is where you can adjust the power off timer settings. So I'm just going to change mine to never, and this will prevent my TV from automatically turning off. You'll also need to come back over to the previous page and then scroll down to power. You can then come over to sleep timer, and you'll also need to do the same thing here as well. You can then come down to switch off timer and also make sure this is set to never. Now scroll down to auto sleep and finally make sure this is set to never as well. Now come back over to the previous window and you can scroll down and click on timer. Now once again, just make sure all of these power off timer settings are either set to off or never. And once you've done this, this will stop your Hisense TV from automatically turning off.